Hi guys, this is having a lovely hair day. So today I'm going to review the Doux products. I'm going to review their Mousse Def Mousse and their sucker-free shampoo. If you guys want to know what I thought of them and how they react to my hair, please keep on watching and remember to subscribe. Okay, so off camera I drenched my hair in water and now I'm going to apply the moisturizing shampoo and it's by the Doux. I don't know why it is doing that. It's making like a weird pattern on my hands, maybe because I had product in my hair before this. It's giving a lot of slip to detangle. As you can see, I put it right in and immediately it just started detangling right through. And the reason why I'm applying it to the bottom of my hair is just because I used to, a long time ago, believe that, like a year ago, believe that you are supposed to bring it to not the ends of your hair when you shampoo it, but I don't believe in that anymore. I was watching one of my favorite YouTubers, Nappy Headed Hoba. She was talking about how she doesn't believe the concept of not shampooing your ends. It's just like shampooing the top of your body and not the bottom, and that did make a lot of sense. The scent definitely like subsides when you put it in your hair. It's not too strong as it was when I first smelled it out of the bottle. Now I'm just going to twist it up. By the way, did you guys notice I tried to match my makeup with the shampoo bottle? This shampoo really feels nice. It feels like a co-wash actually, but it feels more cleansing than a co-wash, if that makes any sense. And I'm going to do the rest of the sections, but this is how much hair I lost from shampooing. And then I will wash it out and I'll come back with you guys after I wash it out. Okay, so my hair is tangled like always after I shampoo, condition, anything, but this is what my hair looks like. I'm going to deep condition with this, and then I'm going to apply my Right Suits Hair X oil after I applied the deep conditioner, and I'll leave it on for about 25 to 30 minutes with my Haircare hot head. So I just rinse out the conditioner, and this is what my hair looks like before. It's kind of tangled, but hopefully this mousse allows some slip. And I'm probably gonna I'm gonna get 2.5 pumps. This is what it looks like. And I have nothing in my hair right now. There is a stronger type of scent, so if you do not like that, you may not want to use it. So my curls are kind of clumping. It's not a lot of clumping at all. So I'm just going to scrunch. After scrunching, it does clump the curls. So if you want to use this, you may want to scrunch after you put it in your hair. So after applying it, like raking it through, then brushing it through with my Demon 7-mer brush, and then scrunching, this is what it looks like. I feel like as of right now, it's a little too light to hold my curls up and like coily rather than like making them wave down. Maybe I applied too much, but I'm going to use my microfiber towel to scrunch it just to make sure I didn't apply it, like over apply. So after scrunching it, this is what it looks like. It's very curly. It looks shiny. It feels like very light in my hair, like I applied like a conditioner. I think I'm going to plot my hair and then I'll diffuse with my normal routine, and I'll probably be back once I diffuse. Okay, so I have finished diffusing and everything. My hair is I think it's like 90% dry. I think in the back it's more like a little bit damp in the roots. But these are the finished results. My hair does look a little bit frizzy. Excuse me. I think it's because I diffused on a little bit of like not drenched hair, but I think I diffused a little too early. I plopped for like 40 or 30 minutes or something. Diffused on towel dried hair. It wasn't completely wet, but then again, it wasn't like not, if it wasn't like 80% dry. I diffused on like 60% dry hair or 70%. When I normally diffuse on like 90 or 80% if I can. But overall, that was my mistake. But overall, these are the results. I think it looks so pretty. And it's very curly. I've diffused, but I haven't separated my curls. So all these are the curls that formed when using the Extava diffuser and the Diva Curl dryer. I diffused like every 20 seconds. I changed from warm to cold. So I just finished separating and fluffing. If you want to know how I do that, be sure to watch my video. It's up here somewhere. But these are the finished results after separating my curls and fluffing my hair to get some more volume. I didn't use a hair pick or anything. Lately I haven't been using one. And then this is what it looks like on the side. I think it's a really, really good product, so I use probably Hair Honest. I think it's a really good product. My hair smells a little bit like the product, but it's not overwhelming, like you walk near someone and you just immediately like, oh my god, it's like I can smell it from a mile away. It's not like that. It's kind of light scent. It didn't give a lot of slip, but it did give some slip to where I can run my Denman brush through. It's not really that much of a hold. Like the product said, it is a light hold that won't give you a lot, like won't give you any crunch. I honestly really enjoyed this mousse, so I'll give it a 5 out of 5. Succa Free Shampoo, I will give this a 4 out of 5. It's just because although it is really, really moisturizing, and I didn't feel like my hair was stripped of moisture at all, it was hard to spread around because it is a thick shampoo, as you saw in the previous clips, and you end up using a lot in the long run. Plus the scent at first was kind of like not pleasing. It was kind of strong, so I'll give it a 4 out of 5. But honestly, this wasn't a bad shampoo, it just wasn't my favorite. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you can get notified every time I upload a new video, and be sure to hit the notification button so you get notified on your phone immediately when I upload a new video. And comment down below if you've ever tried these products, or what your favorite mousse is to use in your hair. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and remember to wear your crown, not a frown, and stay beautiful. And I love you guys. Bye.